Hey everyone, I'm the Autonomous Driving Product Manager at R-AEB Auto, and our monthly OTA update is here again. This time, with OTA 6.5, we're bringing you the world's first fully rolled out spot-to-spot autonomous driving feature. We've also updated Smart Park Out, and we've added major features like Rear Automatic Emergency Braking, R-AEB, and Rear Misacceleration Mitigation, R-MAI. Let's check it out. First up, of course, is the highly anticipated spot-to-spot feature. So what exactly is spot-to-spot? 3 spots to car? No. Simply put, it means driving autonomously from one parking spot to another, from home to work, or vice versa. You can just get in the car and activate autonomous driving. Whether you're driving on internal roads within a complex, city streets, or highways, you can use one-click autonomous driving for a seamless, uninterrupted experience. There are 2 ways to activate spot-to-spot. After setting your navigation in Park P, you can tap Engage Autonomous Driving on the screen, or you can say to Li Xiongtong, our voice assistant, let's go. Actually, you can also say, start now, or engage autonomous driving, whatever's most convenient. Li Xiongtong. Engage autonomous driving. Okay, Smart Park Out is in progress. Please be aware of your surroundings. Voiceover. Reporting unusual connection failure. Opening time zone management. Treasure West when encountering parking lot or complex entrances with barriers. The system can accurately identify them and automatically pass once the barrier is raised. This time, we've also added the ability for autonomous etc. passage at toll booths nationwide. Video sped up 3x, there's no need to pre-learn the routes and layout of toll booths. The system automatically recognizes which lanes are etc. and which are manual toll lanes, U-turns, roundabouts, and construction zones, which were already handled smoothly in version 6.4, are also navigated seamlessly with spot-to-spot, no problem at all. Upon reaching the navigation destination, the system will automatically match previously learned routes in the vicinity. Identifying your parking spot, please release the brake and steering wheel. Parking complete. This time, we've also optimized the parking interface. Upon entering an underground garage, nearby parking spots will be displayed directly, making it easier to select a spot and initiate parking. But there are a few things I want to mention about using the feature. Spot-to-spot supports silent learning. The system can autonomously learn routes in parking lots and complexes. Basically, driving through once is enough. Of course, you can also choose to actively learn a route. Drive to and park in your spot. Or, next time you get in the car, tap Learn Exit Route to complete the learning process for both parking in and out. If you want to experience autonomous etc. passage at toll booths, remember to install an etc. device and enable the feature in the settings. Okay, covers spot-to-spot. Now let's take a look at the updates to Smart Park and Active Safety. Previously, you could only select Smart for parallel parking spots. After OTA 6.5, we've added support for perpendicular and angle parking spots. When encountering a narrow parking spot, the side mirrors will automatically fold in before parking. In terms of active safety, we've already achieved 360-degree all-round protection. This update focuses on rear active safety, bringing you rear automatic emergency braking, R-AEB. So, if you're reversing in a parking lot, and there's a risk of collision or scraping, R-AEB will intervene immediately and brake sharply. If a new driver accidentally hits the accelerator, R-AEB integration, it will cut power and brake promptly, provide audio and visual alerts, offering triple protection. Rear R-AEB and Rear R-MAI function normally whether driving straight or turning, so you can drive with peace of mind. That's a detailed look at the autonomous driving features in OTA 6.5. This is our 18th OTA update this year. Thank you to our millions of users for your trust and support. What new features would you like to see? What existing features would you like us to optimize? Feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next update.